Good morning, fellows, my fellow subscriber, viewers, audience. This is your host from Right Tools from Right Job, Noor Ali. I hope and I pray to all my new joiners, newcomers, new audience, new viewers, new subscribers that my voice, the command of my voice helps, right? Some people like silent videos, some people don't, some people like voice, some people don't. Different strokes for different folks, right? Whatever makes you happy. As always, I'm grateful to the universe. I'm grateful to the cosmos. I'm grateful for the divine spirit, Mother Earth, the elements, as always. So today, this is going to be a very quick video. Not much out there today, not much. So I actually want to share this. Hope I can make it larger. Can I? I don't know. Let's see. See more? See more. No. Anyway, I came across this the other day. It says, congratulations, Right Tools for Right Job, 400 uploads. Who knows? This is good. This is bad. Guess what? I'll keep moving, right? I'll keep marching. This is the little screenshot I took from my phone. I saw it out there the other day. I just want to share with all my viewers, all my audience, and all my new joiners, old joiners. It says, it's got a little badge, digital badge, and says congratulations. I can call it a small achievement on my part. It makes me feel good that I'm doing good. I'm doing something great, something extraordinary on my YouTube channel, Right Tools for Right Job from Noor Ali, right? So it's a little achievement. There are more to come in life, right? So I just want to share this with my audience, with my viewers, with my subscribers out there in the world. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And keep subscribing. Keep connecting. I will upload new content, good content. It has a meaning. It has a purpose always. That is my aim and that is my goal. Right on, right on. So once again, Right Tools for Right Job. Your host, Noor Ali. Share, learn, teach, and grow. 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 We can't share, we can't learn. We can't teach, we can't grow. That's the bottom line. Always remember that. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video or content. God bless you all. Bye.